Dear students, this is the human digestive system. Human digestive system. In human digestive system, generally food enters into the mouth, from the mouth, buccal cavity. From the buccal cavity, the food enters into the tube-like structure, which is called esophagus. The esophagus connects with the stomach. This is stomach. The stomach connects with the small intestine. The first part of small intestine is U-shaped. This U-shaped intestinal part is called duodenum. Duodenum. At this part, very important glands, liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas are connects at the duodenum. This liver and pancreatic digestive juices are enters into the duodenum through tubes-like structures. After that, this is small intestine. The last part of small intestine is called ileum. The small intestine connects with the large intestine. The large intestine, which connects with the small intestine, there present a finger-like structure, which is called as appendix. Generally, it is vestigial organ. After that, if you observe the end part of the large intestine, there present a rectum and anus. So, this is the human digestive system. Flowchart of human digestive system is mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, the duodenum which connects liver and pancreatic digestive glands. After that, the last part of the small intestine is called ileum. Ileum connects with the large intestine. In between the ileum and large intestine, there present appendix. The last part of the large intestine is called a rectum and the end part is called anus.